ผัดกะเพราหมูไข่ดาว one of Thailand's most popular dish. On today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this. Simple, fast, and easy to make, yet jam-packed with flavors. Look at that. Thumbs up. This delicious comfort food's gonna warm you up for this cold weather. One more bite. Alright guys, let's get started. Here are all the ingredients you're gonna need. Go ahead and screenshot that for your convenience, and I will also list it in the comment section. Next, in a pestle and mortar, add chili peppers to your likings. Next, add 5 garlic cloves. For the fun part, smash into a paste, just like that. Oh no, that looks so spicy. Alright, off to the next step. Add 4 tablespoons of oil to pan. Now let's go ahead and add the chili paste that we made from earlier. Give it a quick stir. Next, add 2 cups of ground pork. Next, add 1 cup of minced onions. Next, add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Next, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, followed by 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, and lastly 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, add 1 cup of long beans. And lastly, 1 cup of holy basil or basil. Wow, look how beautiful that is, guys. Turn the heat off and give it a stir. Wow, look at that, guys. So delicious. ผัดกะเพราหมู อร่อยมากนะครับ Go ahead and set this aside and let it rest. Let's go make our deep crispy fried eggs, ไข่ดาว On high heat, add a generous amount of oil to pan. Deep fry your eggs until it's crispy on the edge. Once your eggs is done, remove and set on a paper towel so you can remove excess oil. Easy as that, we are done. Wow, take a look at that. So delicious. ผัดกะเพราหมูไข่ดาว ผัดกะเพรา with deep fried eggs paired up with jasmine rice. It is a match made in heaven. Taking a bite. Oh, so good. Thumbs up. If you guys like this episode, please give me a share and a like. Subscribe to my channel for simple and easy recipes. I'm your host, Harris Piñanavo, and this was Cooking with Mr. International.